Out of that wretched stench at last.
Snow again. The tear's potent here.
I'll take snow over sewage every time. We must be near the canal we crossed earlier.
Then the Transcended will not be far behind. I might not feel them coming.
We don't have far to go to the inner walls. With luck, we'll get there without seeing them. Then through the monastery, until we reach the cathedral.
Where it all started.
What's this haze?
Something unnatural.
Is that a child? A child? Alone? Here? We need to help her.
Sister, I don't know. There's no human aura I can feel.
You may not sense her, but I saw her with my own eyes. There!
strange about her. If she truly is a survivor.
I won't let her die for my weakness. Not this time.
Please, sister, we can't just chase her like this. Let's keep it up. She is my friend. I will protect you.
Just
We ran into an ambush. They were waiting for us.
so what? We've been through countless battles already, Lil. But now it could finally mean something. We can save that girl. The girl. She's still alive. I won't abandon her to her fate.
The haze is back. It makes it hard for me to focus.
More foes. Help me, Lut. Cover me, Lut.
Oh no, it's happening. I've pulled the balance.
Lut, over there.
I am ready. Not on my watch. I'm fading away. No. I see now. The haze isn't hiding our foe. It is our foe. It's all around us. And that child.
First, tell me how to strike this thing.
Where is she going? We shouldn't follow her, sister. What if she leads us to another trap?
If it was you, would you want me to just leave you?
She could never have survived here alone. It's impossible.
You don't know that. I have to help her. I must. This way, through the waterfall.
There might be a way into Hightown here.
We're here for the girl.
Please, in spite of the haze, I can feel a strong aura. We should go.
I see her. Those bastards. So there were two of them all along. I'm sorry, but I should have listened. They tricked me. Help me make them pay for it.
You can always count on me. I will take care of it.
Look out! The possessed are upon us.
Oh no! If we deal with them, I won't be able to help you.
Sneaky bastards. They fled. Wait. What? Look! There's something wrong. They're slowing me down. I feel like a fly caught in a spider web.
To create an illusion is wonderful. But I didn't think they would be capable of something like this.
Not a moment too soon. I felt that. leave me be. It's a hard way. Cover me, Luke. It looks like we're not done yet. Next. Treacherous furnace. Loot. Any ideas?
Maybe I could help. Yes. If only that's my order, I can never be strength. My powers. I must be careful. There! Get back! They're all right, weak. We may be able to end.
We will. Here goes nothing. They're desperate. No matter. Their fate is sealed.
Captain, we must not underestimate them. That was Donovan. He survived. He must have seen Raya give in to her rage and draw on her power. Did he mean to kill us? He did warn us about transcendence after all. Or did he have another plan for us? They're fighting. Donovan's hurt, and Raya is lost in her fury. I have to hurry before it's too late for either us or him. Sister! It's me! Loot! What is it? Talk to me! I won't allow it! I won't let you go. Sister! What? Sister! Even as your body was corrupted, your heart stayed true. Nothing could make you break your promise. You're too stubborn for that. And I will never let you go.
Get back, child.
No! Stop! It's not what it looks like. My sister, she's not dangerous. She can get better. I will help her.
That thing isn't your sister anymore. Move away from her, or I won't be able to protect you. Damn.
Her pain was so great. She was so scared. She still feels guilty for hurting me. But it wasn't her fault. But that night, his demeanor, his voice, they're so familiar. Donovan, it was him. Spare her life. I beg you. She's my sister.
Incredible. She's on the brink of death, but she still worries for her sister. I wish I had another choice, but all corrupted must be purged. As much as I pity you, I can make no exception. May the judge have mercy on your souls.
Hold your sword, knight.
Lord Dougal, Your Grace, I didn't expect to meet you here.
My place is where the three lead me, and their divine will led me here today to these two sisters.
There we were, at the mercy of the Order of the Ashen Blade, at the mercy of Sir Donovan. No one in the Order ever said that he was involved in our rescue. And he made no mention of any of this. Why? Maybe he thought that we would bear a grudge against him. Or maybe he did not want to open old wounds. Do we owe our lives to Lord Dougal then?
Your Grace, the girl already carries the taint of corruption. As for her sister, I'm afraid she won't survive the night.
I know, Sir Donovan, but there's still hope for them.
Do you mean to?
The decision to give birth to the new Chimera is never taken lightly. But their bond did halt the spread of the corruption. We can't ignore that. And we can't spare any effort. There are too many lives at stake.
I see.
Your Grace, the invasion was stopped. Survivors are being tended to.
Very good. The time has come for us to return to Doran. Make sure that the corrupted girl is properly restrained. Be zealous, but don't forget your piety. She is in great suffering. I will take care of this little one.
As your Grace commands.
The road is long, but the three have granted me their power. I will make sure that her soul does not cross the veil. Not yet.
And so began our journey to Dora, to the headquarters of the Order. When we finally woke up, we had been reborn as a chimera. They told us we had been given a chance to carry on and avenge our parents' deaths. That's why we can't transcend. Not now. Briar and Donovan, they both need my help. Their in a stalemate that could prove fatal for us all. I must